Hello everyone. This is a tutorial about how we can call Matlab functions in Python. As many of all know, Matlab has various functions for digital signal processing or system modeling, etc. So it is beneficial to be able to use these well-developed Matlab functions in our code in Python, while those functions has not been implemented very well in Python, for example. In this tutorial, as an example, we want to call signal to noise ratio Matlab function in our Python code. Let me show you how we can do this. Here I have connected to our server at Drexel, and then I can run the Matlab here and do know about its version and its, for example, Matlab root. So in order to be able to call Matlab function in Python, we have these two ways. Older version, it's a little bit more manual, but however, newer version, we can easily do pip install. And I'm going to show you all how we can do this. So here, if we say Matlab root, so here would be our Matlab root. We can copy and paste this one. And now we are exiting from Matlab. Now, based on this syntax, this is our Matlab root and extern at engines and then Python. Then we can see a setup file is here. Then we can do Python setup file install. Here we do have some Python 3. Then we get an error that shows the Matlab engine supports this version of Matlab. However, my version of Matlab is 3.10. So based on this link, we can check the version compatibility between Python and Matlab. The version we have on our server here is R222A and support only this version of Python basically. However, in my machine here, I do have newer version of Matlab. And then I have done simply pip install Matlab engine. It shows it has been already installed and this is the version I do have. Okay. Now everything is working on my system here. So we should always check this compatibility. And based on the Matlab version, we can newer version just do pip install, older version. It's a little bit more manual. Now in my code, I'm importing matlab.engine and start my Matlab. So is prime would be now a function in Matlab, and we are passing this number. Is it a prime number or not? And it returns true. Or what would be the square root of 42 or GCD function between these two numbers? Now the example we want to go through is we are calling audio read. This would be again a Matlab function. And this is my wave file, for example, television.wave. And now y variable would be a Matlab double. We can obtain size would be again a Matlab function, and we are obtaining the size of this y or signal. And it shows this number of samples we do have. And basically with this dimension, we do know this is mono audio file or waveform. Then we can use SNR function in Matlab, and then when we are done, we can exit from the engine. Hope this tutorial would be useful. Also, there is a GitHub repo uh, that have a couple of more examples from the engineer in MathWorks. I recommend you all to have a look on that GitHub repo also. More functionalities and interface has been shown there. Thank you.